Hello everyone. This is a tutorial how we will install PHP in Ubuntu. So in my case I have AWS. So I am accessing my AWS instance, Ubuntu instance from my shell. So right now I am in my Ubuntu instance. So I am just clearing my output, clearing my console. So right now we can see everything is here, right? So right now I need to install PHP. So how we will do that? So there is a lib apache 2 module PHP. We can just run that command that will install PHP. Actually, right now I have Apache. So if I am Apache version, I can see my Apache version. Okay, so Apache 2 version. Yeah, Apache 2 version probably. Yeah, so I can see my Apache version here. So what I am going to do in this case is installing a module, PHP module to the Apache. So I have already Apache. So I'm just copying this one. So copying this one and pasting here, and I'm just installing that module. So it will ask for uh, my permission, whether I need to spend my additional disk space. So it will cost almost 18 MB, so it will not be a big deal. So I am going to give yes. So right now it's installed the required module for PHP. So we can wait right now. So if I just run PHP, something will happen. I mean, probably it will give some result. So I don't know. So usually it will give some result. Yeah. So PHP version probably, yeah. So I can see the PHP version here. So it's an additional library for Apache. So it's not a big deal for installing PHP. So if we are going for a MySQL, it's not a very straightforward. So right now what I am going to do is I'm going to create a PHP file like they did in that website. So maybe it will going to work, but I didn't point my web server to this URL. So maybe it will work, but I am not sure about that. So I'm just copying this one and pasting here, Control XC. Okay, so right now I need to restart my Apache. Paste it here, Apache restart. Okay, so we are done with that. Then the other thing that we need is we need to go to here. This one still works, but the other one, hello.php. hello.php. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's working right now. So its default pointed to this location. Any PHP file is pointed to this location. So variable var ww html hello.php. So I can see so many information here. System build type. It's October 28, 2019, and some other information also. We are not going to deep on this one. And some other things is HTTP host, my host name, user agent, HTTP accept. What are the actually what I print here? So if I'm going here, PHP info. So that's a thing that I print to the web browser right now. So here, document root. Yeah, that's the one where we put our PHP file. And since it is an HTTP request, that also mentioned here. Path. This one probably an important thing. XML, APNG, server protocol, gateway interface, and also some of the core functionalities. Hello URL F open. If sometimes we need to turn off some of this, but not all the time. Sometimes if we are in a file write or something that you need additional permission, that you can do that. And here session auto start, that's off. Session serialize handler, so everything related to the session management. So there are so many things here. OpenSSL, JSON. Oh yeah, this is all related to credit. Who is developer or others, and PHP license on the bottom. So that's where we can install PHP. So PHP is a additional library for Apache web server, so it's not a big deal. That's all for this video. Probably I will come with something else in my next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day, evening, or whatever.